Hi friends, welcome to Naya Videos. Today I would like to share how to earn money online using Cracked.com. Today I am reviewing Cracked.com. They will offer $150 for every article you post on Cracked.com. You simply register for Cracked.com and write some articles for Cracked.com, and the first 4 articles you will get, for every article you will get $150. Thereafter for every article they will pay $250. For this you need a writing skill, a good English and a good writing skills, and you can more like humor and all these things, like you can simply write article differently and attractive, and if you are having a best skills in writing, you can simply register for Cracked.com. Let us see how they pay. This is the Cracked.com, and how do I submit an article? You will just be showing us for idea at first if it's accepted. So you need to first provide idea to their authors, editors. If it is accepted, if they accepted your idea, you can simply write your article, and you can simply submit your article for the review. Once it is done, you will get paid for that. How much do I get paid? For your first 4 accepted articles, you will get $150 each. For every article you submit, you will get $150 each. From your 4th article onwards, you will get $250. If your article becomes one of the 10 highest traffic pullers of the month, you will earn an additional bonus payment of $100. Apart from $250, if your article is getting more popular on Cracked.com, like listed in top 10 positions, you will get extra bonus $100. Like this, if you have a best skills in writing and if you have good English knowledge, you can simply register for Cracked.com and you will start writing to get more money. This is if you write, there is no limitations for this. You can write any articles, any number of articles you can submit here. Before that, you need to provide our idea, and if you get any approval from that, you simply submit your articles. You will get $150 for each and every articles. After that, you will get, after 4 articles, you will get, for every article $250 you will get. You can simply earn, suppose per month if you submit 10 articles, you can simply earn $2,500, more than $2,500 for every month. You can simply earn more money by sitting at home. You can work on this. So let us try this one, and you can see after registering you will see this dashboard. And also I want to tell you another, suppose if you don't have writing skills, so if you are good at creating Photoshop images, infographics, even that you can, by simply creating infographics, even that you can earn money using Cracked.com. If you are good at infographics, you can create infographics and post that infographics to Cracked.com. They will pay for that. So in 2 ways you can earn money. See here, write for us. By clicking this one, you can see I already logged in. You can write and make stuff for Cracked.com today. If you are a funny, smart, creative person, Cracked.com is the single best opportunity you will ever come across in your life. No experience necessary. So for these writing skills, just you need some funny, smart and creative person. You can no need to have any experience on writing. Like simply they will pay per every article. You will talk directly to the editors. You can there is a forum they are running. You can simply register for that too, and you can post your ideas. The editors will react for you. No form letter rejections. There is no rejections, form letters, and your work could be seen by millions of people. They need articles, photoshops, infographics, and even videos. By making some great videos, you can earn money using Crackd.com. So this is the one source, one part you can earn money from Crackd.com, like creating articles, photoshops, infographics, and videos. If you have any of these talents, 4 talents, any of one, you can earn money using Crackd.com. You can check the future and see here. If you want to write the list style future articles that Crackd.com is famous for, like they are given some examples like 2060 Halloween customers that should not exist, or 6 books everyone including our English teacher got wrong. So simply writing these ones, and see, you simply need to sign up for our writers forum before writing for Crackd.com, after registering for this. So thereafter you need to register for the writers forum, and the only thing we require is that you are passionate, creative, and respectful of the others writers. It takes 0 effort to join. And yeah, you don't need to invest any amount in this Crackd.com. You simply creating your account and just register as an user, and you can simply writing articles, creating videos, photoshops, infographics. Just simply register for a forum, and you can have a big community in the forum. In lots of writers is there. You can simply taking advices from writers, and you can simply start your work. So don't wait for any other work from home, and most of the things are scam. So this is a genuine one, and you can see this Crackd.com is getting nearly 35 million traffic every month. 35 million traffic. So the site is generating lots of income, and they will pay regularly, and your article, your work will see 35 million people. So you get popular here. Just try Crackd.com. I'm sharing the link below, you can see. And if you are interested in earning more money, I have some other ideas. I'm sharing my system link. Just sign up for that. You will get more updates from me. Please subscribe to Naya videos in the right side, and please click bell icon to get notification from Innology, like more information about making money online. Thanks for watching Naya videos.